In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize appearance in Airtable, Interface Display 2026. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your preferred browser and head to airtable.com. This is the main site where you'll access your workspace. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight in. If not, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and log in using your usual method. You can use your email and password or a single sign-on option if that's how your account is set up. It's quick, and once you're in, you're ready to personalize the way Airtable looks. After you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is the home base for your workspaces and bases, and it's where you can jump into projects or adjust your account preferences. We're going to change the interface theme from here. Look to the top right corner of the dashboard for your profile icon. It may be a photo, an avatar, or just your initials inside a small circle. That's the menu that controls account-related options. Click the profile icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu includes items related to your account and settings. We're interested in display preferences, so stay on this menu for the next action. From the drop-down, click Appearance. This opens the dedicated area where you can control how Airtable's interface looks. You'll now see the appearance options on your screen. Everything you need is in this panel, and any changes you make here are applied to your view immediately. Choose between light, dark, or use system settings. Light mode keeps things bright and high contrast, which is great for well-lit spaces and screen recordings. Dark mode reduces overall screen brightness and can be easier on your eyes during long sessions or when working in low light. Use system settings will match whatever theme your computer is currently using, so if your device switches between light and dark automatically based on time of day, Airtable will follow that schedule. As soon as you select an option, you'll see the change take effect right away. There's no save button, so consider it a live preview. If you don't love how it looks, just click another option and compare. You can switch back at any time, and your choice only affects your personal view, not your teammates' accounts. That's all there is to it. Open Airtable, log in, go to the dashboard, click your profile icon, choose Appearance, and pick Light, Dark, or Use System Settings. With a few clicks, you can make Airtable match your environment and your preferences, helping you stay comfortable and focused while you work.